Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie a cowboy bowline. This knot is great for applications such as general purposes, sailing, and camping. Start by creating a loop in the rope while ensuring we have a longer working end. Feed the working end through that loop. Feed that working end up under the standing part, and then route that working end back through the loop. But unlike the traditional bowline, the loose end sits outside the loop. Dress and tighten accordingly. It has been debated which form of bowline is the strongest. However, due to the tail being on the outside of the loop, it has been said that it reduces the chance for interference and making the knot fail. In a ring load application, some sources say it is more resistant to failure. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying tutorials, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.